Hi, I am Melrena, and this episode is about pictures. A couple of items, black and white versus color. So I went with full color because I had over 100 pictures. That was the whole point of my book. If you're okay with black and white, it'll make a little bit of a difference with pricing. So it's the cost of printing, which of course means if they're color, it's going to be more money, which means you have to charge more for your book in the end. And printing a little bit easier if you're doing black and white throughout your book versus color. And specifically, that would also mean if you had any color, at the beginning of the chapters or anything, but if you wanted to make it straight black and white, great. It will make a little bit of difference on the pricing and the printing. And then also to quality of the print. So I'll get into this later, but different levels of paper and all that nonsense. And if you're going to do color, then you need a little bit higher quality for that to really pop. So just something to think about when you're thinking about your photos. And from the other up I did on this, just remember when you're organizing your photos, just put them in numerical order as you want to see them throughout the book. And if you're not sure, if you're still writing, actually that might actually help you come up with some of the stories or the flow if you think about what pictures you would want in what order. I don't know, just something to think about. All right, thanks. Thanks for watching. Hope this is helping.